Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to integrate Clickup with Outlook so you can turn emails into tasks and manage everything in one place. It's pretty straightforward, and yeah, I'll walk you through each step. So, first thing, open your Clickup workspace and head into your settings. On the left side, look for the section labeled Apps or Integrations. That's where all the external connections live. Next, scroll down the integrations list until you see Outlook. You can also just use the search bar at the top, if the list feels long. Once Outlook shows up, click into it to start the setup. Now click the Connect button. A Microsoft sign-in window will pop up. Choose your Outlook or Office 365 account, then allow the permissions. Clickup needs these so it can create tasks from your emails. After you connect your account, Clickup will recommend installing the Outlook add-in. This lets you create tasks directly inside Outlook. Just click Get Add-in or open the Microsoft Add-in store, then search for Clickup and install it. Now open Outlook on your browser or desktop. When you click any email, you'll see the Clickup button or sidebar on the right. From there, you can turn the email into a task, assign it to a list, add due dates, tag teammates, all without leaving your inbox. Super handy, honestly. And that's it. Your Outlook and Clickup integration is ready to go. Now you can capture tasks from emails instantly and keep everything synced up. If this helped, feel free to check out my other Clickup tutorials.